Now it's recording, I guess.
Idi tamo onaj kanal. Ne mere, čeka, mora ići. Ovak sad vremena biti ovdje. Ovdje ja moram se vratiti. Evo ovdje. More. Viđu ovo. Morat ću ga palati. Evo ovdje. Ne moramo misliti na njega. Ima sidra. Ajde dotiraj ga tako. Pa morat ću misliti da... Nemoj sidra, ako zapne dol nećemo ga i čupati. Ne treba sidra, ej.
Ne treba, bolan, mogu se doći vamo.
Aj sad trzajte.
I got problem with this.
Do you have a problem with camera?
No. First, here. Yeah. Film myself.
Let me record you.
Yeah, record me.
I am recording Yunus,
Yeah.
Moroccan guy from
All that.
Northern Africa.
North. Yeah. Okay, guys. You're gonna give the geography now.
Yeah, geography, yes.
Geography.
Look at him. He looks Italian.
Man, come on.
And this is a fisherman named Besim Smailovic and his son Kenan Smailovic with this antifreeze. Look at this. Very nice, junior. He doesn't have a fish. Fishing too, but that's okay.
Bliže malo, gledaj.
Hoću ja tebi, učio. Hajde Hamza, sam ga krhne.